Hi everyone, welcome to the next video in our Ivy and the Inky Butterfly series. Thank you for tuning in. I did promise yesterday that I would be doing a bit more of a reveal about my next series. I shall do that in a minute. We'll get on with some colouring first. Now these are quite pretty buds and leaves, and I've had a little look across the page at what's sort of missing, if you know what I mean colour wise. And I'm thinking we could probably do with some more orange. We've only got a few orange flowers, so I'm going to do them in orange. I'm going to actually start with the red ochre, which is a really deep orange or light red, whichever way you want to see it, and do some work at the base of each of these. Now, World of Flowers. So our next project is going to be World of Flowers, and there is a page in there with plants on shelving, and I have a brick stencil, and I thought it would be fun to sort of do a brick wall behind the flowers with the stencil, and then each day colour a flower or a plant. I think they're all in pots, I seem to remember, so we'll colour a pot. I'm going to move on to the burnt ochre, so I think that's a bit blurred. I'm going to go over what I've done and just extend the colour up. This actually looks a bit darker than the red, but anyway, doesn't matter. We'll just move that colour up. So yeah, I thought it would be a bit different and fun. And if you don't have a brick wall stencil, you can draw them by hand, or you can just miss out the background. You know, it's the background will only be one small part. Orange Lake, the main part will actually be colouring the flowers, which is, you know, each day a different pot, which will be fun. So that's that one. Now there isn't a download for that page like there isn't for this one, so it does mean that if you've already done that page, you won't be able to do it again, but you might be able to use some of the techniques for a different page. Cadmium orange is our last one, so you could, or hopefully you can colour along something else. I always hope that you're colouring something, but or doing something crafty. You might be stitching, knitting, diamond painting, although you may need a bit more room. I don't know a lot about diamond painting. I think it's going to take up lots of room. I'm going to finish this off with a yellow because I want it to look really vibrant. I'm just trying to find the one that I want. No. There it is. Doesn't want to come out. Golden yellow deep. I find it's quite vibrant. So I'm going to actually start on the tip with this, but go over the whole thing, and it will just make it look at, can you see the difference? It just warms it up. I like it anyway. So yes, we'll be doing that, and after that I've got a plan as well. So I'm really on to planning at the minute. Next, our stem. Trying to think what sort of colours might work. Let's start with the a Veridian and do the darker area. So I'm thinking here. Try and get it right up against those leaves. And then let's do the tips darker for a change. It's rare for us to do that, isn't it? There we go, that's quite a bluey green. Looking for something a little less blue for my next layer. Yeah, let's go with this. This is the chrome green. And I'm going to go over the top of what we've done. Extend that colour. I hope you're all okay and enjoying May. it's always an interesting month weather-wise. It's great for me because it's my birthday, of course, which is fun. And thank you everyone who sent me birthday wishes. It was I had a lovely day with my son home from college. It was a little bit stressful, to be honest, because he was working and he was finding it a bit difficult. So it wasn't, but and I couldn't really help him. But they couldn't be helped. And where to from now? Castle? No. Yeah, we'll go here. We'll go cadmium green. I'm going to again go right over what I've done already. Just extend that colour down. Yeah, so that was a shame, but you know, as I say, it couldn't be helped. But I didn't make any videos. I'll do any editing. I decided to just have a go in all my new books. I didn't have time to do all my new books because I was so lucky with the amount that I got. But I managed to colour a picture in my Maria Trolley book, and with my Prismas. I found that a bit tricky, learning a new book and a new paper and a new artist style as well as a new pencil. It was a bit much. I think I shouldn't have done that, but I was really pleased with how the picture came out. But it was just like, wow, this is a lot to take on. I'm just going to sharpen my Veridian because I want to do a few touches with it. I did a page from the Flower Year. It's quite a complex book. The pictures are quite detailed. Oh, I've just broken the pencil. That's clever, isn't it? I did a page from the Flower Year, and sorry, you'll hear me fiddling with my sharpener. But I picked quite a simple one because they're quite complex. And I did one of my bookmarks, so that was fun. I'm hoping, actually, you may not have seen all of the flip throughs of the books yet. I'm still sharpening. But that's interesting. So I didn't make videos, I just had fun and enjoyed on my own. All the videos aren't fun. It's broken again. I'm going to have to go and use my other sharpener, so just bear with me. I shall stop the video and come back. Right, if you're having trouble sharpening, use your Derwent Super Point Mini. That's a good point. So what I want to do is separate these leaves out a little bit with a few strokes of darker colour. And having a really sharp point is really useful, but I have to go slowly or else I'm at risk of breaking the point off. Anyway, so I did that Maria Trolley picture. I did one from the Flower Year, and I did one from, I'm just going to use a little more cadmium green on each leaf. I did one of the bookmarks. In the evening I needed a bit of a break from pencils, so I used some glitter pens. Well, I actually wanted a limited palette. Having used the Prismas and had so many to choose from, I wanted an easy choice, so I grabbed some blue, purple and pink pens and just had a go with pen, which was nice. A bit easier, although pens give me blisters. It sounds really weird, but I'll show you. I just finished this leaf. On my little finger there, I get a blister, and because it's from my hand rubbing on the page, and with a pen I seem to do it more. I don't really understand why, so I get more blisters. I think with pencils I tend to keep changing colour a lot more often. Just rubbing off those bits of green. I need to get a brush for in here. I've got a brush in the other room. I need to bring it through. Anyway, that's us for today. That's this rather vibrant orange flower, but I think it's fun. And I'll be back tomorrow with this leaf. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day and happy colouring.